guys, I'm gonna show you my plants here, my vegetables, and that is tomato, and it's growing well. And then I have string beans here, that one, and it's bearing flowers already. There is flowers already on my string beans. Yeah, as you can see, my orchids there, dancing lady. And my eggplant here, and it's growing well. That one, so, and I have tomato here as well, and other one is, that is squash, and I have bell pepper here, and bell pepper. The other one is no good. My plants, and look at the weather for today. The weather today is not really good, guys, because we have low pressure area in the mountain. So and look at my plants here, guys, indoor plants, and my cactus is here, and there's more here. Plants here, guys, my new pine tree here, and that one, and that one, and over there, here, the one. So, and we have a newly planted bell pepper or tomato. I think this is tomato rather. Yeah. There's a lot. And my cottons here. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you have a good day, and there's more here, bougainvillea, and also I have a mango tree here as well, and welcome plant, variegated. Yes, so this is the back of my house here. So hopefully later the weather will be okay. And the roses here, for now they're not good, and the other one is dying. Oh, so anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.